Hey, what's up, fellows? Yes, it's me. Welcome to IT Edge Network. In this series, I'm showing you how to troubleshoot and fix slow Windows 11 computers step by step like real IT support using real world troubleshooting methods. So, are you ready to fix this issue? Let's dig.
Hello guys, welcome to IT Edge Network. So today we're resolving another ticket, and let's take a look at the ticket. And ticket is submitted by Tracy Mitchell, and let's see what it says. It says, File Explorer keeps freezing on my Windows 11 computer. Um, Sometimes folder takes a very long time to open, and occasionally the screen becomes unresponsive when I browse through files. Now, this is the ticket. This is a very typical ticket in the help desk that you will receive, and you will have to take care of this every now and then. So, first of all, let's find out what is a file explorer. Right at the bottom of your taskbar, you look right here, the folder, something which looks like a folder. If you click on it, this is your File Explorer, right? This is File Explorer is in the Windows application. It's a Windows application used to we use it for browsing files, open folders, copy and move files, access drive, things like that. Manage downloads. So you see, you can access your desktop here, download a folder here, pictures and whatnot. So yeah, this is where everything is happening. This is where you browse your system, right? Basically, so this is the File Explorer. I'm sure you have used it before. So this is the main file management tools in the Windows. So this is what it is. So a lot of times you'll notice that the user is complaining that it's freezing, like you're in here, but when you click on something, nothing moves, nothing is happening. So yes, what is going on? Let's find out. So let's number one thing we do is understand the problem. What is going on? If Files Explorer freeze in Windows 11, you may notice folders not responding, files loading very slow, the screen um, the screen becomes unresponsive. Basically, you click on something and nothing is happening, right? Or File Explorer crashing or hanging completely. This is a very common issue in IT support. So, step one is um, you identify when the freezing is happening, right? So you ask the question. You ask the user these questions. Does it happen when you open download folder? Are you accessing something like a network drive and it's freezing? Like, remember, your network drive will also show up here, just like my computer network drives. Anything um, mapped to the network drive will show up right here, or your cloud drive, like your Microsoft drive will show right here. So you ask the question, or when you're accessing external drive, is that when it's happened? Like, is it freezing when you're trying to access? Because when you plug in an external drive, it may freeze. Like when you click on it, it's a quick access right here, and it's just freezing. So if it's frozen, the step number one, um, basically what you need to do is restart the File Explorer. How do you do that? The first thing you want to do is go into Task Manager right here, good old Task Manager right here, and you'll see it running here, right? This is where the CPU, memory, disk usage is showing up. And look on the left hand side, it says File Explorer right here. So what you'll do is you'll select it, and then you'll just go on top right hand corner and just say restart task, right? And then basically it will close it, and yeah, right here you can do this too. So basically, yeah, it'll basically restart the File Explorer. So yeah, that's another thing you can try. This basically refreshes File Explorer without restarting the entire computer, right? And so that's number two. Step number three, you want to check quick access. What is quick access? Let's go back in the File Manager, File Explorer right here. So anything on the left hand side, look right here. Like any of these folder shaped things like camera roll, save file, right? Save pictures, screenshots, temp file, anything right here. This is a quick reference. This is not actually a folder. It's a reference to your folder. You can sort of call it like a shortcut. Not really a shortcut, but it's just a reference, right? Because this folder is located somewhere else. This is just a quick reference to it. So quick access can sometimes cause File Explorer to delay or freeze, specifically if recent files, network locations, or disconnected folders are still being referred, right? Or this is just stale. It's a stale reference, right? So what you want to do is basically if the rest of the is if the rest of them are working, and if it's one of them when you click on it, it's freezing, you can simply just right click on it and just go unpin from quick access. When you do that, look, it disappeared. So you just get rid of it. It's causing problem. It's a problem child. Get rid of it. So yeah, that's another way to fix it. Step number four: check external drives. When you plug in let me show you quickly what external drive looks like, so you will have a better idea. On your computer, when you connect something externally like this is an external drive. So when you plug it in your laptop, let's go back to File Explorer, it will show up right here, right on the left hand side. It'll show up here. Sometimes when your system, if your system is trying to access um, like an external drive, window may pause while trying to access the drive, specifically if the drive is slow, disconnected improperly, or experiencing hardware related issues. For example, like, let's go back to the picture real quick. If, let's say, this drive is going bad, right? It's a bad connection, or if this drive is going bad, or there's a formatting issue or whatnot, whatever that may be, and it's causing, because remember, this is your system right here, and it is trying to access something external, and external, which is like connected to a wire, right? So this is not part of the system, it's an external. So obviously when you try to access it, it can cause delay, and especially if there's something wrong with the drive, it will freeze because File Explorer is unable to read it, right? It's unable to read it. So when you click on external drive right here, it cannot read it and it freezes everything. So that could be the problem. Step number five: check large folders and preview pane. What is preview pane? If you click on download folder, these are your files. You click on one of the files and see it gives you the preview right here on the right hand side. If I keep clicking on it, it'll just keep giving me the previews. Sometimes that file is huge. It is large. And when you click on it and it's trying to give you the preview, and it could be, it just takes forever. And sometimes it just freezes. So that could be a problem. A folder containing large videos, thousands of files, or many images can slow File Explorer significantly. The preview pane can also increase loading time in some situations. So this is what I was talking about. So yeah, that could be another reason the preview pane is slow, because it's just trying to create the preview pane. Another thing you can try, step 6, is restart the computer. Sometimes File Explorer freezes because background Windows processes become stuck. So restarting could be, it will give, restarting the computer can temporarily clear these issues. So simply just come on start, right click, and then just go restart. Good old restart. It'll restart the system, and basically, it gives a fresh life. Step number 7, don't ignore the frequent freeze. If it's happening in the File Explorer, do not ignore it. There may be storage issues, computer files, external drive problems, or broader Windows performance issue affecting the system. So don't ignore this issue. If it's happening frequently, it's a problem. Think like IT. This is how a real IT support approaches File Explorer freezing issues. So we ask questions like, does the freeze happen in specific folders, or it's happening anywhere you click it freezes, right? Those are the questions. Is quick access causing delays? Quick access is right here on the left hand side. Is this what's causing the delay? Our external drive causing the delay? The external drive we just mentioned here, right here. Is this causing it? Or is File Explorer struggling to load large amount of data? So we isolate the cause first, not randomly apply fixes. So yeah, these are the things we check. We're going to go back and list the solutions. Basically, we restarted the File Explorer. We checked quick access. We reviewed external drive. We inspected large folders, performance preview, and tested performance after restarting the system. Those are the things we did. We checked. Like always, we just highlight everything, copy it, and we're going to go back in the ticket, and then right here just come back, paste, and hit send, right? And that's how it gets added to your ticket. Now it's part of the ticket, and basically, yeah, that's how we resolve the issue. Simple, but yeah, it is a very common issue. You will see it, so you better be prepared. These are hands-on skills, guys. This is something it help us does on a regular basis. Make sure you learn them, and practice. That's what makes you perfect. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos coming in this playlist. So yes, take care, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.
And that's exactly how an IT support would diagnose and fix slow computer issues in a real world. If you want to learn the real world IT troubleshooting skills, make sure you like and subscribe and check out the rest of the playlist. I'll see you in my next video.